What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I want to do a talking video to see a GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, some people call it a garden plunger because, well, it looks like if I call it a mini chainsaw for a reason because, well, it's because you can see how much respected this thing is exactly because this thing right here, especially, I do like this thing a lot because you see how much respected this thing is exactly, which, it's definitely looks a really nice looking chainsaw. This is released October 2022, or like 3 years ago, you can see, because you can see how much respected this thing is, which it's a pretty nice looking chainsaw in my opinion. I'm not gonna realize it's a very nice looking one in my opinion because you can see how much respected this thing is, it's got this chain tension right now. I mean, this one goes up a little bit and then falls back down. You can see because, well, how I expected this thing, which I do like this thing a lot because you see how much respected this thing is, which I know since the fan, it's gonna get used no matter what. I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I really hope so because we don't know how long the decisions were sitting here since it was sitting since last month, you see, because you can see how much respected this thing is, which it's like it looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but you can see how much respected this thing is, which I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will. I mean, I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will at some point, but I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year because well, because as you can see, it's definitely looks pretty much what we expected this thing exactly because well, it's because you can see how much respected this thing is, which it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion. So I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it exactly because it's because you can see how much respected this chainsaw is exactly, which it's definitely how much we expected this machine exactly. So I hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 this year. I hope at some point this thing will get used this year.